Get into the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.